Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, what are some signs my gut isn't healthy? These are a few more red flags to look for and simple strategies to jumpstart the recovery process. Estrogen dominance. After estrogens are deactivated by your liver, they're sent to your intestines to exit your body. When there's an imbalance in the gut microbes known as the estrobolome, the estrogens can be recirculated, causing estrogen dominance, like PMS, anxiety, ovarian cysts, and weight gain. Fatigue. People with chronic fatigue syndrome often have imbalances in their gut microbiome. Fatigue is also linked with elevated markers for inflammation, which may be attributed by leaky gut. Numerous food sensitivities. Many people have a sensitivity to certain inflammatory foods, such as gluten or dairy. However, if food sensitivity testing reveals that you have many food sensitivities, there may be an underlying issue like leaky gut that is causing your immune system to be hyperreactive. Adding gut healing foods. Start by adding in healing foods rather than removing problematic ones. We begin by prioritizing colorful fruits and vegetables and prebiotic fiber and resistant starch to support your microbiome. Take a probiotic. A thriving population of probiotics is vital for gut health, but they can be diminished by diets high in sugar or low in fiber, antibiotics, hormone imbalances, and medications. Minimize added sugar. Sugar is highly inflammatory and disruptive to your gut microbiome, and most people consume too much of it. Removing added sugar gives your blood sugar digestive system and taste buds the opportunity to reset. Once you return to baseline, you may be surprised by how little you miss it and how poorly you feel when you consume a lot of it. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@cancida.com and we will get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.